Hi, it's Chris and Betsy of As We Go, and today we are unboxing some new gear. Okay, so this is just going to be a real quick unboxing video. We're going to show you what comes in the box, and we're going to fire it up for the first time. We'll do more of an in-depth / operating review sometime in the future. But right now, we were excited to get it out of the box. So you see, it's a nice size, and we're happy with the weight. We'll get into that a little bit later. But inside the box, of course, you get tons of packing material. They do include your regulator hose for if you're going to run propane. It is dual fuel. They give you a great funnel because you do need to add oil. Do not forget to add the oil. And they include an adapter to put in the 12-volt cigarette lighter plug and a little thing you stick on the propane regulator you can store your hose with. And of course, don't forget the all-important "Don't leave home without it" operator's manual. Make sure you read that before you really get into it. Well, we couldn't start it that first day, so we had to make sure we had a propane tank and propane. So we got it all set up and had everything ready to roll. Nice size. We did a 10-pound tank, 10-gallon tank. Nice display on this end. And here we go. So initial sound check for this little Champion generator inverter thinger. Basically, if you're listening to it, you're probably hearing more wind noise from my phone than you're hearing noise from the generator. And I'm not having to holler to be heard over it. Chris and I are able to talk without any problem. And this is during the initial break-in period of it. So far, pretty good. So there we are, it is. I'm going to move the phone down closer here. There you go. Now, we chose this little guy for a couple of reasons. One, we can run it on propane instead of gasoline. It is dual fuel, but we didn't want to be carrying a gas can in the belly of the coach or in the back of the Jeep, especially when we're towing. So we wanted something that would run on propane, which is a little easier to transport. And we wanted something we could pick up. Now, yes, we could have gotten one that would have been less expensive, that would have been full 30 amps and gone woohoo, but we wouldn't have been able to lift it because those things weigh 90 to 100 pounds, and yeah, we're not as young as we used to be. We admit it. The nice thing about this, Chris can pick it up by himself easily, well, fairly easily. It only weighs about 50 pounds. And the other part of it we like is that if we want to get to where we have that full 30 amp power, it has a parallel kit that you can connect two of these units together and get the power you need for a full 30 amps. But right now, we just got this. We're just playing games with it and checking it out. So just this is our initial take on it. Again, I'm sorry for the wind noise. I just decided to shoot this while we were out here. So that's where we're at. Ooh, I don't know what he did, but just went boom. Must have put a little load on it. So anyway, that's what we've got so far. Hope you found this initial peek helpful. And who knows, someday as we go, maybe we'll see you on the road. Safe travels to you. Hey, thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate that. Please remember to like this video and join us by subscribing to our channel. Sign up for notifications. And by the way, don't forget to check out this video. It's one that YouTube thinks you might enjoy.